6 here. Right now we have another item in here that needs to be top up now and again. We have some EC3 EC5 XT connectors, 6090 30. Now and again we need to use this for power or just for a basic connection. So this kit comes with some wire, some heat shrink inside here, like a smaller size, and a little bigger heat shrink on this side. Let me take it out here. On this end, so you have black on red. Or is it the same size and more black on this side compared to the other? Yeah, it look like some jump across, or they put some so that this wouldn't bulge up too much either. Or it looks like so these are the connectors here. These are the parts for the wire and stuff to go into. This is some of the bigger size connector there. Also some smaller parts for the wire to go into there to clip in. Take a peep at these little babies here. Look at these little smallies. Very small connectors there. This is the XT30. This one is the 6090. Right at the smaller ones here. This is how they look. Camera seems to not want to focus too much here. Alright. Into this. This is the bigger housing for these here, so that you could slip in the connectors there. Yeah, so it does come with a good bit that will last for a while again. Doesn't need to use them that often because some of the connectors does already come with them, but some of the other stuff we may be fixing might come with some, so we need to have some on board. Yeah, so this is from MADCATZ male and female adapter connectors. So the case did come damage in the back there, and then when things get a little bang up or shake up, how it does be. Basic plastic, normal things to separate it. At least it wouldn't just jump out and go on the next side. It seems to be staying inside there. The area. They could have put more inside of these containers here. I don't know why they decided to put this little. They could have full up all these slots and stuff with the correct amount, and you know they are good packaging. Yeah, so that's it for the male and female connectors. 6 out.